Merry Christmas, guys. This is it's actually Boxing Day in Canada, so it's a national holiday. Um, but Santa's elves are still hard at work on the T3D. So here's a quick demo video just to show the finished head tracking functionality of the T3D. So here we've got a T3D. You've got the three buttons: mode, and then plus and minus, and then we've got a 3D camera on a pan, tilt, roll mount. So here's the Oculus Rift, and it's connected to the T3D, and it's outputting to the spectrum. So here you can see the roll, pitch, and pan of the camera. Now there's a zero. When you press the mode button of the T3D, you zero it. So if we were in some weird angle, you press that. Now this becomes zero. And then you can still do the same thing. So obviously you want it to be, you're sitting in a comfortable position with the head tracker, with the Oculus on. You press the mode button, then it centers out the head tracker to follow the exact movements of your head. Now obviously with the Oculus Rift, you want the camera to be moving the same rate that your head is moving. That's not true with all head trackers, but to get the real immersive experience, that's what you want with the T3D. So I'm just going to go through a demo, two modes, programmable modes of the head tracker, which are a requirement for the Oculus Rift. So the first mode is entered on the T3D by hitting the mode switch and holding it down until the camera kicks out to the right. So we'll do that right now. I'm going to hold the mode switch now, and we wait till it kicks out to the right. Now it's out to the right. Now when we release the mode switch, we're in calibrate magnetometer mode. So there's magnetometers in the Oculus Rift. It could be influenced by magnets get too close to it or whatever. So we want to make sure that we zero out the magnetometers. So the process for doing this, we're in magnetometer calibration mode, and it just so happens that north and south is running this way in the room. So that is south. Doesn't matter whether you're facing north or south, but you want to be on that line. And so we're facing south, so we're going to rotate the Oculus Rift through one full revolution this way. We're going to turn it at right angles. We're going to rotate it through another full revolution, and that will zero out the magnetometers. And then what we'll do is we'll hit mode, and we're back out of that calibration mode. You can see everything's working fine. And when you power down the unit, it will save these parameters. It doesn't have to be redone. If magnets get too close to this and magnetize the Oculus Rift, then yes, you want to run through the calibration of the magnetometers. The other one that you're going to want to do is program. How much does it roll or pitch or yaw according to your pan, tilt, roll mount and on the aircraft that you're mounting on. So what we're going to do is we're just going to set the Oculus Rift straight. We're going to hit the zero button. Now it's zeroed out. Let's see. There we go. So now we're straight. And then what we're going to do is we're going to press and hold, and we're going to press and hold the mode switch, and we're going to pass the calibrate magnetometers mode into the calibrate the pan, tilt, roll mode. So I'm going to hold it down now. It's going to kick to the right to say we're in the magnetometers mode, then to the left, and now we're ready. If I release it, there, I've released it. Now we're in to tuning the pan, tilt, roll mode. So I'm just going to go through the pan because all three are the same. So now, right now, what it's waiting for is the center position for the pan. So you want to center this so that it's pointing straight forward on your aircraft. You have the plus and minus buttons on the T3D, so you can tilt it back and forth. So you want to just line it up with so it's facing exactly center. Once you're satisfied with that it's facing center, you press the mode button again. Now we're now into a setting the right end stop. So you set the right end stop wherever you want it to stop. Now you can set the left end stop with the buttons plus or minus. Get it tweaked in, and then press the mode switch again. And now we're in the kind of the rate. So this is going to set how much the camera will turn. The best way to kind of set this mode is to kind of maybe turn it to one side, go over top, and adjust it so that it's in line with the Oculus, the camera is in line with the Oculus Rift, and then turn it through a full sweep. And right now I can see it's a little out, so I'm gonna press the button. So now it's got the proper, you know, you want the proper sweep. Let's see here. Little, yeah, there we're going. We're tracking in like a full sweep. So now we can lock that in. Now this, once you've locked that in, now it's going to go to the tilt mode. And I'm just going to click past these. So center, up, down, scale, and we're going to be roll center, roll right, roll left. Now we're back out. So now it's, okay, so this is roll right. And now we're back into, so it'll save all these once you power down. It maintains the pan, tilt, roll settings that you've set. And there you go. So yeah, obviously when you're building your pan, tilt, roll setting, there's different, something we didn't cover here, there's dip switches on the T3D that you can set, so you can assign you know, what channels you want the pan, tilt, roll to go to. That'll be covered in the manual. But anyways, just kind of a quick demo to show you that, you know, yes, you know, we're working on it. And then a short update, we've got the identity modules, so I can show you here. Here's an identity module. So this holds a unique program. T3D backers will also get, you know, in the future, if we come up with a new version, upgraded software, we'll send you out one of these that has like the new, you know, it's kind of a firmware upgrade on a little module. And if I crack the case of the T3D here, you can just, it just plugs into the connector here, and we'll give you a new code. So anyways, that's where we're at with that. I can say that we've seen that the 40 T3Ds have already been assembled. All of the, you know, parts have been soldered on. The manufacturer, we're just waiting. They have to do the soldering on all the connectors. And then the cases, for people who've ordered the cases will be available in probably another, I think the first week in January is when we'll get those. So we're really close. We're about to be shipping these units out. So you know, with any luck, probably by mid January, it'll be in the mail for everybody. Anyways, guys, thanks a lot, and we'll talk to you later.